Don't know how to judge an SMT factory's strength? SMT machines alone don't tell the whole story. Focus on supporting facilities instead. Attention business owners specializing in PCBA, OEM, and ODM production. When you inspect factories, don't just check Yamaha or Samsung placement machines. Supporting equipment matters far more. Shenzhen Newei Industrial runs 10 SMT production lines. We are fully equipped with 10-zone reflow ovens, automatic solder paste printers, inline SPI and AOI inspection systems. We also own 4 dedicated assembly lines and an independent testing and aging workshop. Where does a reliable factory invest extra costs? It lies in these unseen inspection devices. Small workshops cut costs by removing AOI equipment, relying only on manual visual check to find short circuits and cold solder joints. Would you take such risky products? Covering 8,500 square meters, our factory strictly manufactures industrial control and automotive circuit boards with zero-defect delivery standards. Want our complete equipment list and production years? Comment, visit below, and I'll send you our latest factory panoramic video.